Hello friends, once again welcome to JD College of Engineering and Management. In JD College of Engineering and Management, we adapt some activities that are integrated into a lecture-based course such as student-generated test questions. That is the first activity that we are carried out. We provide students with learning goals for a particular topic and a figure summarizing Bloom's taxonomy. Then challenge groups of students to create test questions corresponding to your learning goals and different levels of the taxonomy. Consider having each group share their test questions with the whole class. This approach helps students consider what they know as well as implication of the teacher stated learning goals. Second activity, step sequence. We give students the steps in a process on strip of paper that are jumbled. Ask them to work together to reconstruct the proper sequence. This approach can strengthen students' logical thinking processes. Third activity is debate. We arrange a debate, which is a good way to encourage class participation in large groups without losing control. Teacher can plan debates beforehand or they can emerge spontaneously from the classroom material. Another is case study. A good case study can be present students with a situation they can relate to from their own life experience. It includes realistic information also. It has a conflict that students can resolve. Another is field trip. It facilitates some types of learning that cannot take place in a classroom. A field trip to a professional institution can show students where their study may lead them. A field trip for the purpose of gathering data can give students practice with research techniques and show them the relevance of course material to the outside world. Another important activity is 1 minute paper. These activities are a flexible way to acquire candidate feedback on the course material and your presentation style. It can be done quickly and it shows students that they can write quickly and spontaneously and enhances general writing ability. Another very important activity is peer teaching. In this activity, higher semester students teach to lower semester students. Students take more interest in learning with their friends. I know that students will perform when they realize the fruit of success or realize the effect of failure. Students also perform when there is a competitive spirit as well as appreciation encouraged in the class. Classmates cohesively performing a group task will gain team spirit and unity. All these efforts combined will surely help the student learn better and help JD College of Engineering and Management will be your choice. I am very much sure your choice now becomes JD College of Engineering and Management. Thank you very much. Thank you.